Welcome everyone to my brain, my house. This is a physiology capsule series number 12, cell physiology number 5. Today we're going to talk about the cytoskeleton, the backbone of the cell. Generally, proteins represent about 10 to 20% in the cell. This is divided into two main forms: structural proteins, functional proteins. Structural proteins, which is immobile, for example, protein filaments like cytoskeleton. Functional protein, mobile, for example, enzymes. Cytoskeleton, they are complex, dynamic, mobile network of interlinking protein filaments present in the cytoplasm, extends from the cell nucleus to the cell membrane. It's composed of three main components: microfilaments, intermediate filaments, and microtubules. It's a structural protein that's synthesized in ribosomes. Starting with the microtubules, which is dynamic, it means lengthening and shortening according to the situation. 25 nanometer in diameter, made up of two protein alpha and beta tubulin. Serves as cell division in mitotic spindle forming centrioles, forming cilia and flagella, in neuron axonal transport of synaptic. In neuron cells, there is something called axonal transport, which this cytoskeleton microtubule help and serve in the transported of synaptic vesicles, proteins, lipid organelles from nucleus to the synaptic terminal and vice versa. We're going to talk about the psyllium, from Latin mean eyelash, plural cilia, singular psyllium. There are two types of cilia, motile and non-motile cilia. This is a table that compare the non-motile cilia and the motile cilia. Non-motile cilia, called primary cilia, typically serve as a sensory organelle. Motile cilia serve as a locomotion, like flagell, locomotion, moving. Okay, I'm going to explain these things. One per cell. Some cells have multiple cilia, motile cilia. If we say this non-motile, it serves as a sensory organelle, like in eye, rods, photoreceptors, and nose, dendritic nerve, olfactory nerve. Sensory. But motile, locomotion, moving, like respiratory epithelium lining respiratory tract, where the function is the mucociliary escalator, or clearance of sweeping mucus and dirt out of the lungs. If we say this is trachea, this is the lungs, okay, it's called mucociliary escalator. Or in the fallopian tubes, moves the ovum from the ovary to the uterus. While the flagellum, from the Latin word meaning whip, plural flagella, singular flagellum, the primary function of the flagellum is that of locomotion. An example of eukaryotic flagellate cell is the mammalian sperm cells, which use its flagellum to propel itself through the female reproductive tract. So flagellum and motile cilia are simple in functioning. Okay. Next, we have intermediate filaments, 10 nanometer in diameter, made up of many proteins depending on the site of the cell. It is a structural support, resists mechanical stress, unlike the microtubules, which is dynamic. Okay. The last one is microfilaments, aka actin filaments. Dynamic, like microtubules, which means lengthening and shortening according to circumstances, 7 nanometer in diameter, made up of actin, so it's called actin filaments. Do movement of the cells, cytokinesis, muscle contraction, help in endocytosis, cell division, cleavage of the cell. Thank you for watching. That's it. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.